On the chapter of algebraic identities, let's take a look at checkpoint 4.3 part A. Now, you see, you look at this particular expression, it actually applies the same way as how you did for 4.2 part A, right? Okay, so this is actually an application of a square minus away b square. Okay, please don't go and expand this. Okay, and expand this. Please don't do this because I've seen students doing this in this manner. Okay, so identify that this is a square minus b square. So therefore, you would have h plus k minus away. Okay, h plus k minus away h minus k, and then multiplied by h plus k plus h minus k. This is technically a minus b, a plus b. Can you see? Okay, so let's combine them together. You have h minus h, okay, and then you will have k minus, then inside there is a minus, right? So you plus k, so you have 2k here. Then you have h plus h equals to 2h, k minus away k, so there is no more k anymore. So you have 4kh over here. So this will be your final answer. So part 2, let's do the hence portion. Okay, find the value of 165 square, and 35 square. Okay, this is, you see, they ask you to use hence, right? So you apply the same thing. So therefore, it is h plus k whole thing square minus h minus k whole thing square. This is telling you h plus k is 165, h minus k is 35. So obviously, okay, you can see the h is technically, you realize 165 plus 35 equals to 200. Okay, 165 plus 35 equals to 200 over here. So therefore, you have 100 plus 65, okay, and then you get 165, right? And then you also have 100 minus away 65 to give you 35. Can you see how it looks like? Okay, some students may be asking me, how do you actually get these questions, these factors so easily? All right. I would say practice. Okay, why? Because once you practice enough, you'll be able to familiarize with all of these terms, these factors, etc. Okay, so once you're done, you're not done with this question. Please remember, they ask you to, by substituting a suitable value of h and k, find this value. So therefore, what is your answer over here? Your answer would be, okay, 3, you take multiplication of 165. So you have a minus k, 165 square minus away 35 square. So h minus k, so therefore you have applying 4, k equals to 65 and h equals to 100, right? So 165. So therefore 4kh is equals to 26,000. So check against your calculator. Press in your calculator 165 square minus away 35 square. Do you get 26,000? Okay, if you get 26,000, yes, your working is correct already. So again, let me remind you, step number 1, find common identities that fit both equations using the hence portion. You must apply hence portion. Okay, then find your overall answer and remember to check answer. Okay.